Boom! So rusty, horrible drain sprinter project. Update, like I said. The THCI was bad, it was. We have one coming, but the motor start capacitor was also bad. We changed it, and now, every time it starts. Wow. That's the governor. And the motor has a spring on it. I guess when it's down, it juices the capacitor. When it doesn't need it, it bypasses the capacitor. These aren't, there's no polarity to these, but this is shot, like we tested it properly. The new one's perfect. Now we have to clean up that box. We ordered a belt. Now we have the proper inline GFCI. We need a strain relief, and it needs a paint job, a patch, and a bunch of other shit. So far not into it for much money, but working machine. Just lobbing off the end, changing the cap. You could leave it just like that, and probably change the belt because it was horrible. But as is, it would work. So that's their thing. People throw it out in a dumpster though, because they can't test the capacitor, they can't test the GFCI, and they don't know how to remove rust.